Accessing data, 80% gas furnace.
This is a standard efficiency 80% gas furnace. It's a combustion appliance, burning natural gas or propane. It's called an 80% furnace because 20% of the heat generated is used to convey exhaust gases up the chimney, known as a flue stack. At ATI, we will give you a comprehensive look at the gas furnace, including installation procedures, maintenance, and troubleshooting common problems with operation. You will also learn
Combustion theory, including carbon monoxide awareness, ignition sequence of typical combustion appliances, operation and diagnostics of furnace components such as the exhaust motor, indoor blower motor, gas valve, integrated furnace control board, heat exchanger, and safeties.
the education you get at ATI prepares you for the challenges of the work field. When it comes to the gas furnace, you will be employment ready.
Data complete.